this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and today is Welcome to Winter DIYs. Our host is Brenda from Rustic and Lace DIY and Krista from Krista's Crafty Life. Please check out their channels in my description box and the amazing creators in the playlist. And if you haven't, please subscribe because it's free. Okay, we are going to glue our dusters down. Okay, now we're going to start adding little embellishments to this. I found this ornament at Dollar General for $1. And I thought, oh, that'll be perfect for winter. I'm going to remove his string. I'm going to start by setting him in the center. Then I have a ton of these bottle brush trees. I got these at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to add some of those. Make sure he's straight. Okay, I have this big one. It's pink. I'm gonna put him behind. Like that. I'm gonna trim this one down here. Let me. This one has a really long stem. I mean, crazy long. I'm gonna trim that. There, that's about the way I want it. And this one I'm going to do the same. See how long that stem is? It's crazy long. I'm gonna put him right here. Okay. Now I got this little bucket. This is for favors for weddings. And I put some cotton balls in it. I'm going to add just a few little lights in this because, you know, I think it'll be pretty with just a few clear lights. And I'm going to just set this back here, and I'll glue it on a little bit later. Now I'm going to turn this around because we had a tree do an avalanche over here. We're going to put him back up. Okay. Come here. This is a bucket. This is a favor container from the Dollar Tree. I put just some cotton balls to make it look like snow. And I'm going to put 5 cents on there. In other words, like snowballs is 5 cents. And I'm going to add that here by my snowman, because I think he's selling snowballs. What is there but for a snowman to do, but a snow angel to do but sell snowballs, right? I have our snow angel here, and she still has that little thing to put your, it's a little thing to put your ribbon through for an ornament. Let's give her a bow so we don't have to look at that. And let's see. I say she's, let's get this. Will that stay up? Nope. I'm going to add a little bow on that. And our Christmas tree back here, it doesn't have a topper, so I'm going to add a little pink bow on it too, because we have one tree that has ornaments. Okay, here is our centerpiece for our coffee table. And if you're not into the Pinkmas retro kind of theme like I am, you know, the tacky Christmas, well, then you can always change that snowman out for a more farmhouse and make it more farmhouse. Instead of pink, you could do all white. Or I know they had browns, you could do browns. You could easily make this a farmhouse style. Okay, you can do several different things with these snowflakes. You can use them as ornaments. I'm going to make just a little garland to go across the front of my mantle. I made just a knot that'll hook over the stocking hooks. Now I'm going to just feed this through. Get to about where you want your first snowflake. Add your glue so it stops there. Then I'm gonna add a bow, because you know, that's just my style. And I'm gonna do that all the way down through with the... Here is our garland across our mantle. I think this kind of made my mantle this year. This would be pretty, not just for Christmas though, after Christmas. Tell me what you think about my pink snowflake garland. And do you think it matches my decor in my living room? I think it's beautiful. And it just has enough glitter to make it look like a snowflake. Okay, let's add some decoupage. Okay. Here is our, what we're decoupaging. I found these at the Dollar General and I thought these were so cute. They had so many really cute things this year. Oh, it's tussle time. The Yorkies are tussling. I'm gonna be back started. I'm just gonna pull the white from the blue. Let's line this up. Okay, we're gonna use our new iron. Okay, let's take our little palm sander and sand. And we're gonna do that all the way around. Okay, let's take some of our snow. And Bailey's helping. Uh-oh. Just add that right to it. And now I'm gonna just take a little snow, because it's all about the snow, you know. It's all about the snow. They say we may get some snow here Thanksgiving. 'Cause I'm filming this before Thanksgiving. 'Cause I wanted to film a little early. I try not to miss one of Brenda's collabs. I love to do Brenda and Krista's collab. They're so much fun. And it challenges me to DIY something different. I'm gonna just make a little, I don't know, like a flower or a big fluffy bow. If you didn't want to do red and white, you could do this same thing. I have green and white, I have brown. So it's up to you. And I'm going to just take this and tie it on. And I always never have enough fingers. Or I have too many, I'm not sure which. Seems like as soon as I turn on the camera, my fingers and my thoughts don't work anymore. I always say the wrong things and my fingers just aren't working. If you have a channel, are you that way too? Somebody said to me once, if I make a mistake on my video, I go and re-record it. I wouldn't have a video on my channel. Here's our little cutting board. This would be cute in the kitchen for winter. Let me know which of the 3 DIYs is your favorite.